Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Sassy and Chic 3-in-1 nail art pen. So this is 3-in-1 because it has a pen and then your nail polish and then glitter for decorating your nail. It's really cute and really, I think, smart or like clever design or clever product to have this like 3-in-1. I personally think that a 3-in-1 with a top gel coat instead of like the pen would be better, but I do think that this is really cute and I do really like it. So this is by Sassy and Chic, which has really cool, a lot of different like nail art products. And this specific product comes in a few different colors where none of them are the same as far as like if there's like a red one, it's going to come with a different kind of glitter and things like that. So no two are the same. They're all different, which is really nice. You get a lot of different options. It is scented as well, and it's supposed to have a blueberry scent. I'll get to what it actually smells like in a minute. But it's really small. It's probably the size of like a Sharpie marker, so it's really easy to travel with if you're on like vacation, or if you're, this is like really good. I think if you have like kids, like little girls, and you're gonna have like a sleepover or a party or something, this is really nice to put in like goodie bags or to do with like a bunch of like 9 or 10-year-olds at like a sleepover or something is kind of what I like using this for. I think that little girls would really get like a huge kick out of this product. So I'll go ahead and open it up. So the first step that it says in your 3-in-1 to do is you're going to draw your design on your nail with the pen part, and you just pull this part off and you've got this pen. Now, as far as the pen, I have not been able to get the pen to work. It kind of more scratches and leaves a white line. Maybe that's what it's supposed to do. I haven't actually looked it up to see. I meant to do that, see what it's supposed to do, because the packaging is not clear. It just says pull the cap off and design. But I can't get any color or anything to actually come out. So maybe it is supposed to be just like a scratch type of thing. Although I have nail polish on, so it's not going to do it. But it kind of just leaves like a little white mark from a scratch, basically. So maybe that is what it's supposed to do. I don't know. So then you put that back on. Alright. And then you twist it to get the nail color, the nail polish. And the nail polish, I think it's pretty standard. I really like this color. It's not like a tiny brush, which is really nice, but it's also not huge. I think that the brush is a really nice size because so like the rule is for like nail technicians is you're supposed to be able to apply a coat of nail polish on the entire nail with 3 strokes. And that is possible, I think, with this. At least for my nails. I have narrow nails and I can get it within 3 strokes, so that's really nice. It doesn't come with as much nail polish, I think, as like other regular tubes do though, so just like another thing to be aware of. And then you twist the bottom and you've got your glitter. So you design, apply the nail polish wherever you're going to apply the nail polish, and then you apply the glitter. It doesn't say whether to apply the glitter before or after it dries. I usually try to do it before the nail polish dries, so that way it sticks. So, I mean, that would only make sense, even though it doesn't really say whether to do that or not. You do have to be careful, so if you are going to use this with kids, just make sure you're watching them because it's going to be really easy to make a mess with the glitter. I do wish that the glitter came more in like in a and like with a hole that was much easier to get like precise application. But I really just like the idea of this. I think that it's could be a lot better done. I think that the packaging could have some more information on it, especially like whether color is supposed to come out when you're drawing the design with the pen, or if it's supposed to just be like a white scratch mark. Because I honestly don't know whether I just have like a defective one or if that is how it's supposed to be. I guess I could look it up, but it would be nice if the packaging had that. The packaging does not have too much information, unfortunately. Oh yeah, and the smell. I'm actually gonna smell it real quick just to make sure that I like remember correctly. See if it does really have like that. The smell. It smells like, maybe it has like a slight, very, very slight blueberry scent, but it really just smells like typical nail polish. It's not super strong though. It's not a super strong nail polish scent. So like I opened it and I didn't even smell it. It wasn't until I like put it to my nose to smell it that I smelled it. And it's very, very, very subtle blueberry maybe, but really it's just like normal nail polish scent. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope that you enjoyed this video.